You know, it says in the Old Testament that if you feel you've reached enlightenment, go hang out with your family for a week. That's what this song is about. How you doing, Graham? How you doing, Cole? This is Justin back here on the keyboard. Justin is that's a good seat you got. All right. Justin just stood up with his girlfriend today. Everybody. He's all lonesome. Take care of him, won't you? If you see him, just go give him a hug. That's all you gotta do. I'm not suggesting anything else. Just give him a big, warm, full-body hug. You hear how sad he is? Even if the day feels too long, and you feel like you can't wait another one, and you're slowly giving up on everything, love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you. Just be ready then. Well, you've been kneeling in the dark for far too long. You've been waiting on that spark, but it hasn't come. Well, I'm calling to you, please, get off the floor. Love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you, you better be ready. Tethered to a bird of song, voice that's buried in a hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You prostrate bow and not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. You bet your joys on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning. While everything around is burning. Come on, we gotta get out. Get out of this mess with me. And still for all the talk, we're both so free. Or will we leave this up to chance like we do everything? A good heart will find you again. A good heart will find you. Just be ready then. Tethered to a bird of song, a voice that's buried in a hole. You've given over to self-deceiving. You prostrate bow but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. You bet your joys on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning. Well, everything around is burning. But I'm not leaving yet, yeah. I'm not leaving yet, yeah. I'm not leaving, yeah. I'm not leaving, yeah. I'm not leaving. world's